Have you ever asked an AI a question and just trusted whatever it told you, even though there was no one to double check it? What if instead of one AI giving you one answer, you had a whole team of AI agents and even other people working together in the same conversation, pushing back on each other, catching mistakes and refining the answer until it's actually right? That's exactly what Bloome does. It's the platform built for human agent teams where Claude, ChatGPT, DeepSeek, and your own custom agents collaborate with you and each other to get real work done. One of the first things that stands out about Bloome is how it brings people and AI agents into the same workspace. Instead of jumping between separate chats and AI tools, everyone contributes to a single conversation. So the entire discussion stays in one place. Whether a message comes from a teammate or an AI agent, everything appears in the same thread, making it much easier to keep track of discussions and decisions and maintaining context. And because it's a persistent chat, anyone with access can scroll back and find the full history of what was discussed, decided, and built. Nothing gets buried in a side tool or lost between tabs. Another nice feature is that many of the most popular AI models are already available from within the platform. From the contacts panel, you can add assistants like Claude, ChatGPT, and DeepSeek directly into your conversation without needing to leave the workspace. Connecting additional agents is just as straightforward. With a single click, I can add tools like Claude, Code, or Codex, and even connect it to other agents such as OpenClaw or Hermes. The whole process takes a few moments, making it easy to build a workspace with exactly the AI assistance you need. And the biggest advantage is that everything happens in one place. Instead of constantly switching between different websites, browser tabs, or desktop apps, you can work with multiple AI models from the same interface, keeping your workflow much more focused. And if the built-in agents don't quite fit your workflow, you can also create your own. With a few settings, it's possible to customize an agent's personality, abilities, and long-term memory, allowing it to specialize in the kinds of tasks you perform most often. Some responses can also be delivered as visual reports or interactive widgets rather than plain text. If something needs changing, you can make adjustments immediately without having to start the entire process again. So here's a practical example. I'll ask one of the agents to carry out some market research and prepare an initial report. Rather than simply producing the answer, it works through the task and presents its findings directly inside the conversation. Now, instead of accepting that first draft as final, a second AI agent joins the discussion to review the work. It questions assumptions, checks the reasoning, and challenges areas that may need stronger evidence or better sources. This creates a much more collaborative process than relying on a single AI response. As the conversation continues, both agents refine the report together until a stronger final version is produced. Having multiple AI agents review and improve each other's work can help produce more reliable results while keeping the entire review process visible inside a single conversation. And here's the final output. Compared to the first draft, the sourcing is stronger, the conclusions are more grounded, and the gaps have been filled. That's what you get when agents check each other's work rather than just producing output in isolation. The version that survives the review process is measurably better than the one that would have come out on its own. And that's a look at Bloome. So if you're looking for a way to bring your team and multiple AI agents together in one workspace, it's definitely an interesting approach. And instead of juggling different chats and tools, everything stays organized in a single conversation, making collaboration feel much more streamlined. If you want your AI tools to actually work together instead of giving you one isolated answer at a time, head to the link in the description and try Bloome for free today. That's it for today's video. If you like, tap that like button, hit subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.